Today we're in Chiang Mai and we're going to see the elephants. Woo! Now we're transferring trucks so you can go get off-road and go to see the elephants. Footwear questionable. So we just trekked down a very, very wet and muddy road. But if you've ever seen a comedy group, you look no further than the Band of Brothers right here. We've got Connor Rabbity wearing a white Ultra Boost. Look at the nice terrain we're going to be walking over for the rest of the day. We've got Ryan Jezia, myself, on the flip-flops. I really didn't want to be doing any cleaning of shoes later, but I may have gone into the deep end. Anyway, we're out here. We are really, really out here. But hopefully we're going to see some cool scenery and some beautiful elephants. Connor's got his nice little rod to assist. I'm slipping. I've got absolutely no grip. Thank you very much. She was very kind in lending me a stick. We made it. My feet are only a little bit muddy. Now, quick toilet break. We're at the Caliphant Elephant Park. It's part of the Elephant Nature Park, but it's not the actual sanctuary, because the sanctuary just has, well, all the injured elephants and where they receive a lot more care. So you can just feed them once and look at them, but here you get to wash them, you get to trek a little bit, so should be a bit more interactive and definitely an adventure. The skies are grey, but hopefully it doesn't rain too much. I'm banking on it will rain, but we'll see.
So this is like halfway. And then we're heading over to, we're gonna hang out in Da Nang for 4 or 5 days, and then up to Hanoi to do the
Literally 2 seconds later. And then straight up for the food.
Okay, so for now, we can prepare for ourselves first. This place is kind of like our relaxed place.
We've been re-outfitted. We've got the...
It can perch on my head.
We've got the new Wellingtons, new shirts, and finally it looks like we got a hat that may fit Connor's head. It's kind of
perches on the top.
It's kind of a bit on there, but
do the job.
You may have a winner.
I think this is.
Yang yang.
This one is the nanny.
I want to.
You need to get that in your mouth first. So now we begin the trek. Amazing. They're very much like humans in that they live the same amount of lifespans. It takes about 20 years for the baby to fully grow. They talk, they feel emotions. Super cool. And we're like literally just out here in the middle of nowhere. They literally live to just eat and eat and eat and eat. Apparently they eat for like 16 hours of the day, sleep for about 4 or 5, take 2 to 3 minutes naps through the days, and then just eat, 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 eat. This place is just unbelievable. They love fruit. I think they were just eating loads of peaches there. They love bananas, they love sugar cane. Apparently they all have their favourites. So, you know, they're not just eating anything, but they can. Like the baby, she loves sugar cane, loves the sweet stuff. So he's always going for that. It's just incredible. Anyway, if you're interested in doing this type of experience, because I think after we're going to go down to the river and give them a wash or whatnot. It's one of the more expensive things you do in Thailand compared to like the day of snorkeling, which was $20. I think this one cost us about $75. I'm just looking around everywhere because I'm not quite sure how I'm getting down here, but I think it's well worth it. They're just prehistoric almost, should I say. Whoa! Fuck. Anyway, me and Elena will be bringing the Easy Animal Zoo soon, so, or nature preserve, so be on the lookout. Anyway, lunch.
Gasoi. It's like noodles and then like a yellow curry.
Just what the doctor ordered.
Go on.
Funny at the time, though.
Just like many of them, Jay.
Oh, this mango is really nice.
Making that good rice.
This is Connor Rabbity reporting in replacement for Ryan for his blog. There's been a very rare sighting of Ryan Ajizi doing some work. What are you doing today?
Just making some rice. The rice making expert Connor can just re-explain what we're doing here.
I'm back on the grafts on my holidays, but we are crushing up the powder to mix in with the banana, the rice, something else to form a bit of a paste.
Fantastic. And what we're using that paste for?
I think the elephants are going to eat it.
Oh, brilliant. They're going to be well happy about that.
Happy. And here I am, putting the groundwork in.
So yeah, we're going to make some food for the elephants, then give them a wash later.
Special food for our old elephant, especially who have trouble with their teeth. Okay, every day of their life we make a special food for them 2 times a day, in the morning and in the evening. And this one is the cooked rice. Okay, the banana, some salt. Okay, mix all with this ingredient together, and then you're gonna make it like a ball. Okay, make it like a ball.
And that's the end of the day here. Give them their last supper from us, because I'm sure they'll be eating again in a few hours, and again in a few hours after that, and then again in a few hours after that. But thank you for watching. This is the Carrot Elephant Nature Park, part of the Elephant Nature Park Sanctuary. Amazing. Everybody should do it. Just amazing beasts. Anyway, tomorrow I'm renting a bike and going on the Mae Hong Son Loop for about 10 to 12 days. So, and Connor and Hernan are leaving tomorrow. So again, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please share them on Facebook, like them on YouTube, and take it easy.